Hey there, and welcome to my channel, Stitches by Liz.
In this video, I will be teaching you how to crochet a single crochet.
To get started, you will need some yarn and a hook. Many patterns require certain size hooks and certain types of yarn. For this tutorial, there's no specifics. You just need some yarn and a hook of your choice. I am using Caron 1 pound cotton yarn and a size 4mm hook. Let's get started.
So to make a single crochet, you will need to start off with a slip knot and a chain. If you are unsure of how to do those basic stitches, please refer to my other videos. In this tutorial, I will be starting off with 11 chains on my hook. So as you can see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Chains look like little sideways V's. So you see a V right there, a little V right there, a V right there, and so on and so forth. So now that you have 11 chains on your hook, we will go ahead and make a single crochet. To make a single crochet, you will need to insert your hook into the second chain on your hook. So go ahead and insert your hook into that second chain. Now that your hook is through that second chain on your hook, you are going to yarn over and pull through that loop. Then you will have 2 loops on your hook. 1, 2. To make a single crochet, you are going to yarn over and pull through both of those loops on your hook. And now you have created your first single crochet. To keep it going, you are going to repeat that process throughout the rest of the chains on your hook. So let's keep going. Insert your hook into the next chain. You're going to yarn over, pull through that chain, and pull up, and you'll have 2 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through again. And there is your second single crochet. It will come together as you keep going. Go into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through, and just keep that process going throughout the rest of your chain. So once you've reached the end of your chain, go ahead and do your last single crochet. And this is how it should look. To move on to the next row, you are going to chain 1. Chaining 1 at the end helps make your work look more even as you work up. So now, to move on to the next row, you're going to turn your work. So what I just did was turn this around, and you will be working through the next set of V's. As you can see, the next row, just like before, you're going to have a few V's right there. And the difference with this row is you will be working through both of those loops as shown. Some patterns require you to work through the back loops or the front loops. Back loops, front, back, front, back, front, back, front. But we will get into that another time. So after you have created your first row of single crochets, we will be moving on to the next row. Now that you've chained 1, you are going to be working into the second chain from your hook once again. So here's the first little V, here's the second. You're going to put your hook through both of those loops, like so. Then you are going to yarn over and pull through both of those loops. And then you will have 2 loops on your hook, just like before. You're going to yarn over and pull through those 2 loops. To continue that row, you will insert your hook into the following chain on that hook. You are going to then again yarn over and pull through, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through. Then you just repeat that process throughout the rest of the chains on your hook. I am now ending that last row. Here is that last chain, inserting my hook, yarning over, pulling through, 2 loops on that hook, yarning over, pulling through, and that was the last chain on that hook. Now what I'm going to do to continue is yarning over, pulling through, and creating a chain 1. And like I did before, I will be turning my work and continuing along that row, chaining 1, continuing along that row, and so on and so forth. Continuing that process for 10 rows, your work should look like this. This was your first chain, row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, leaving off with the chain 1. Now if you continued this process, it would just keep going and going. It would keep getting longer and longer. Single crochet is used in most projects. Scarves, hats, blankets, amigurumi dolls, which is the Japanese term for stuffed creatures like stuffed animals. So once you learn the single crochet, you are ready to start your first crochet project. Good luck, and please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials on how to crochet. Bye!